The sun's back. Merry Vlogmas. What is today? Is it the 12th or the 13th?
13th.
Merry Vlogmas Day 13. I woke up this morning with no voice and it's not really back now, but
hallelujah!
It's not very good news for a vlogger. Kind of, I could try silent film with subtitles.
Okay, is it me?
It's you! Did you see Nimaway's comment yesterday that Taylor means coins? So your little medicinal coins. 13.
Yes, but they're also Pontefract cakes.
Oh, yeah.
Which, had I known that, well, I'm not going to be unkind, but they've never been a favourite. Oh, blimey, look.
Oh, wow.
These look like chips.
Little diamonds.
Well, I thought it said asphalt spliff. Oh,
It does
what?
not.
It said, excuse me?
It does not. Split. They do look like what you surface a road with.
Yes, so asphalt
Have you got your notes ready?
split. No.
Come on.
No, no, not even that one.
Oh.
Oh, no, I can't find my way into this.
Ziploc bags are rebelling.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Ooh.
Well, they're tiny, tiny little chips.
Oh, they're crunchy.
Very salty.
Too salty?
No,
Oh.
not at all. After yesterday, these are magnificent.
Oh!
But I haven't got the quote to hand that I wanted to use. And actually, these don't rise to that occasion.
Are they not that good?
No, no. Now I'm going to say something for Shelley and my friends down under. They're yummo.
Shelley is my cousin and my dad's niece. That's right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Niece.
Niece
Yeah.
in Australia.
Australia.
They're gorgeous.
That's good. Gorgeous.
But they're not.
Unctuous.
They're better than yesterday.
Oh, they're so much better than yesterday.
That's good. Okay. You were dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed.
Yeah.
Well, you're the, hey, and it was the, yeah.
It's there. Hello, Peeps.
Ooh.
There's another white one.
Looks white.
What's
But
it
who
say on the
knows?
front? What's it say on the front?
Tartufo.
They all say that.
Stracciatella.
Yeah, I have no idea what that says.
Stracciatella. Yeah. Very good. It's very white on the outside.
It's not
So
always
wait.
been an indicator.
No.
Sean.
No. Oh, it's a bit white on the
Oh,
inside.
wow, so it's got like chocolate chips or something in it.
Off-white.
Yeah.
Nuts.
Hazelnuts.
Not covered in chocolate.
We're showing our age.
But it's too sweet because it's white chocolate. Okay.
Sean, I have to correct you. That does say split.
It's a split.
It says it's double F on the end.
It's double T on the end.
Double
Look
F.
at the end of the asphalt. I'm right.
Yeah.
Doesn't happen often. Right, 13 on mine. Is it going to be the coffee one? I'm still dreading this coffee one. I don't know why I'm dreading it. I don't want to drink it. But... oh no. I have rum hot chocolate today. Probably add some actual rum and I could make myself a hot toddy, which might be good. But yes, we are going out for dinner this evening and I had planned to make myself look like a human being and film some videos today. My November lookbook, December plans. I'm halfway through December, but you know, I thought I'd give it a go, but I don't think I can. So I'm going to do some admin today. I have lots of admin to do, so I'm going to get that done. And I will take you along with us this evening for our evening meal at the Bond Church Inn, which apparently does the best lasagna in the world, although I obviously won't be eating that. But that's looking at me like I'm a crazy person. Okay, still feeling like death warmed up, but thankfully I don't look like it, or at least I don't think I do. So yeah, off out on an adventure in my stretchy dress, which means I can eat a large meal. I'm very much looking forward to this, and I'm going to take you with me. Hang on, don't get excited. 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! Oh yeah, we're rocking our Christmas cracker hat.
And we drove down to that.
She's managed to rip hers already.
The popcorn, which I...
They very kindly made me veggie cannelloni, which is yummy, yummy, yummy.
Homemade on those waffle penguins.
Why not? Yeah, just keep breathing.
Yeah. David has disco penguins. So I'm home now. We've had a lovely Christmas dinner at the Bonchurch Inn. It boasts the life-changing lasagna. So if you guys ever come to the Vent area, then you need to go and try the lasagna. I obviously did not have the lasagna because vegetarians, I had the cannelloni, and it was really, really good. That has basically been today. I have mostly spent it in bed feeling a bit sorry for myself, and I've had a couple of glasses of wine, so I'm feeling a little bit less sorry for myself quite at this moment. This dress is totally awesome for a Christmas party because it's stretchy, so I really am not aware of how much food I've eaten, and I have eaten a lot of food. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the very short and sweet Vlogmas that it has been today. There will be more going on tomorrow, so I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.